Dear students, we are learning simple present tense, and in the previous class we have discussed about the affirmative and the negative sentences. Today we will discuss what? Yes no questions and WH questions. Okay, yes no questions and WH questions. So first you see and write the formula structures of yes no questions and WH questions. For yes no questions, that structure will be, at first you have to use do or does, then the subject, then V1, and then the object. This is the structure for yes no questions. Okay, and for WH question, WH questions you have to use a WH word, then do or does, then the subject, then V1, and then the object. These are the two structures. This one for yes no questions and this one for WH questions. Write fast, write fast. So today we will learn the two kinds of interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences means what? Questions. Two kinds of interrogative sentences are there, which are yes no questions and what? WH questions. Okay, these are the two kinds of interrogative sentences, yes no questions and WH questions. So today we will discuss with examples these interrogative sentences. No need to write, okay? Don't write. Writing. Right. Like, we write stories. We write stories. We write stories. हम लोग कहानियां लिखते हैं. हम लोग, इट्स हिंदी विल बी, हम लोग कहानियां लिखते हैं. हम लोग कहानियां लिखते हैं. We write stories. This is an affirmative sentence. Okay. So first we will make its negative. Negative. We negative. We do not write stories. Okay. Now yes no question. You know it very well that you have to, what you have to do? You have to take out this do and put it in front of the subject. Do we write stories? Do we write stories? क्या हम लोग कहानियां लिखते हैं? Do we write stories? This is yes no question. Don't give full stop here. Put one question mark. Do we write stories? And then WH question. हम लोग कहानियां कब लिखते हैं? कब? So what will be the English word for कब? When. So the sentence will be when do we write stories in this way? When do we write stories? Okay, when do we write stories? So in this example we have seen all the four kinds of sentences: affirmative, then negative, and then yes no question, and then the WH question. Okay, in this way we can write all the four kinds of sentences in simple present tense. राजू चाय बेचता है. राजू चाय बेचता है. That day. Yes. We have seen this example. Raju sells tea. Raju sells tea. राजू चाय नहीं बेचता है. राजू चाय नहीं बेचता है. राजू do not or does not? Name. Raju is a name, so you don't use do not, you have to use does not. Yes, Raju does not sell, but now you have to write sell, not sales. Okay, when you use does, after do or does only V1, not V5. Raju does not sell tea. Yes, this is negative sentence. Now yes no. Yes no. क्या राजू चाय बेचता है? But listen. Many times many people get confused here. सोचते कि अच्छा आगे में तो क्या लिखा हुआ है, क्या है? So we will start the sentence with what? यहाँ क्या है तो what देंगे, but listen the meaning, understand the meaning, try to understand the meaning of the sentence. It is a yes no question. क्या राजू चाय बेचता है? This is not WH question, no, this is yes no question. So we have to start the sentence with do or does. Okay, so what will start? Does Raju sell tea? In this way, does Raju sell tea? And the last one, राजू कहाँ चाय बेचता है? राजू कहाँ चाय बेचता है? Where does Raju? Okay, don't forget to give the helping verb. Where does Raju sell tea? Okay, so these are the four kinds of sentences: affirmative, negative, yes no question, and WH question. In this way you can write many examples. राजू चाय बेचता है, राजू सेल्स टी. राजू चाय नहीं बेचता है, राजू डज नॉट सेल टी. क्या राजू चाय बेचता है? डज राजू सेल टी. राजू कहाँ चाय बेचता है? Where does Raju sell tea? One more example I am giving you. वह रोज स्कूल जाती है. वह रोज स्कूल जाती है. she then अच्छा, one more thing I want to tell you. वर्ब कैसे पहचानोगे? कौन सा वर्ब है? ये जो आइडेंटिफाइंग जो सिंबल्स बताया था ना कि जिससे हम लोग पहचानते हैं, वो वाला सिंबल कहाँ है? देखो, ता है, ती है, वो कहां पर है? जाती है. That means this is the verb. This is the verb. जाती है. So what will be the English for जाती है? Go. But this is the subject is she. With she, what we use? Goes. B5. She goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. Okay. First of all, you have to identify which is the verb, which is the subject, like this. Okay. So she goes to school every day. Now negative. वह रोज स्कूल नहीं जाती है. वह रोज स्कूल नहीं जाती है. She does not. Okay. She does not. Now go, not goes. She does not go to school every day. Yes, in this way. She does not go to school every day. Now, yes no question? Yes no question? क्या वह रोज स्कूल जाती है? क्या वह रोज स्कूल जाती है? Does she go to school every day? Yes. Does she go to school every day? Clear? Now WH. Here is question. वह क्यों रोज स्कूल जाती है? वह क्यों रोज स्कूल जाती है? Why? No, not why she. Why does she? Okay, don't forget. I told you, no, don't forget to give this helping verb. Why does she go to school? Yes, every day. Why does she go to school every day?